Hey guys, it's Lainey and welcome back to Simply Bakings. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make popcorn 3 different ways for Halloween. The flavors are s'mores popcorn, candy corn popcorn, and red velvet popcorn. So let's begin! So to make the s'mores popcorn, all you need is miniature marshmallows, graham crackers, and some s'mores candy melts. And if you don't have that available, you can just use chocolate candy melts. So in a large bowl, you're going to add 4 cups of popcorn. I use actually the kettle version because I love kettle corn popcorn, but feel free to use the butter popcorn as well. Then you're just going to add the mini marshmallows. Then you're going to hand crush the graham crackers. And since I was the only one who was going to eat this one, I used my hands, but if you don't feel comfortable using your hands, you can use a spatula to mix. Then to melt the candy melts, all you have to do is place it in the microwave, and I put it in an icing bag and melted it in 15-second increments. Then you're going to pour the chocolate over the popcorn, and then now take your spatula and you're going to mix it until it's well combined. Then I placed it on a cookie sheet and allowed it to dry and set it aside. And to make the candy corn popcorn, all you need is some candy corn, white and orange candy melts, and some candy corn M&ms. Next, mix everything together, so that's the popcorn, the M&ms, and the candy corn. Melt your chocolates in the microwave and then just drizzle over the chocolate. Then I placed it on my cookie sheet to allow it to dry. Allowing the popcorn to dry on the cookie sheet is optional. I just did that because I used this bowl 3 times and I needed to place the popcorn, so I just placed it on the cookie sheet. This one was my favorite, the red velvet popcorn. So all you need is some popcorn, red velvet cookies. Now if you don't have red velvet cookies available, I do have a recipe and I will link that in the description box, and some red candy melts. So just break the cookies into little pieces and place them into the popcorn. Make sure to mix it and then drizzle over the red candy melts. And that's it! Super easy, and 3 different ways to make popcorn. I love how the red velvet also looked very Halloweenish because it had looked like blood actually. It's really neat. All your friends and kids would love this. And you can always put the popcorn in some mason jars or some large cupcake liners, or just place them into bowls and then serve them. And now that fall season is upon us and it's October, I'm so happy it's October. I want to know what kind of recipe or dessert you want to see this fall and for the holidays. Let me know in the comments. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on the next upload. Bye guys!